When it comes to tackling tough jobs, having the right tool can make all the difference. A best cordless hammer drill combines power and portability, making it an essential addition to your toolbox. Whether you're drilling into concrete, wood, or metal, the right choice can ensure efficiency and precision. Let's dive into some of the top options available and explore what makes them stand out in performance and design. DEWALT Max SDS. If you're after a cordless rotary hammer drill that delivers exceptional performance, the DEWALT 20-volt Max SDS rotary hammer drill is your best value option. This tool combines power, durability, and versatility in a lightweight package designed to meet the demands of professionals on any job site. With a robust 2.1 joules of impact energy, this hammer drill handles concrete and masonry tasks effortlessly. The brushless motor, coupled with a German-engineered mechanism, ensures both efficiency and extended runtime, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty use. The design is equally impressive. Despite its powerful performance, it remains lightweight, perfect for overhead tasks like rod hanging or cable tray installation. The Shock's active vibration control system significantly reduces vibration, providing a comfortable user experience even during extended use. This drill's rotating dial offers 3 distinct modes: drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling, making it adaptable for a range of applications. When paired with the DWH303DH onboard extractor, it meets OSHA Table 1 compliance for dust management, ensuring safer operations. Constructed with premium materials, this drill is built to last, supporting SDS-Plus bits up to 20 mm for versatile functionality. While it doesn't include a battery, its compatibility with DEWALT's 20-volt Max system offers great flexibility. For professionals seeking a blend of power, portability, and precision, the DEWALT DCH273B stands out as a stellar investment. CRAFTSMAN 520. The next product we're spotlighting is the CRAFTSMAN 520 Cordless Hammer Drill Kit, the best budget-friendly cordless hammer drill in its category. Engineered for versatility and power, this drill is part of the CRAFTSMAN 520 cordless system, delivering dependable performance for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're working on home improvement projects or tackling tougher materials like concrete and brick, this tool delivers without breaking the bank. At its core, the high-performance motor produces 280 unit watts out, ensuring smooth drilling and fastening, even in heavy-duty scenarios. The hammer drill's 2-speed gearbox provides flexibility for both precision work and rapid drilling. Adding to its appeal, the 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck offers enhanced bit retention, minimizing slippage during use. One standout feature is its impact rate of 25,500 beats per minute, which speeds up drilling in tougher materials like brick and concrete. The kit includes 2 V2020-volt Max lithium batteries, ensuring consistent runtime, while the charger gets you back to work in 60 minutes or less. Designed with the user in mind, the drill is lightweight and ergonomic, making long sessions less taxing. It's also compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system, offering convenient storage. While it may not rival high-end professional drills in extreme conditions, the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Hammer Drill Kit shines as an affordable, well-rounded choice. It's a reliable companion for everyday tasks, delivering excellent value at just $99. A solid pick for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. DEWALT DCD 996P2. Up next, let's explore the DEWALT 20-volt Max XR Hammer Drill Kit, a powerhouse for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, this cordless hammer drill boasts a brushless motor delivering up to 75% more runtime compared to NiCad brushed models. It's equipped with a 3-speed all-metal transmission, offering tailored performance for diverse applications, from wood and metal to masonry, with hammer drill speeds up to 2,250 RPM and 38,250 beats per minute. The drill includes 2 5.0 amp-hour XR lithium-ion batteries, providing 33% more capacity than standard packs, ensuring you can tackle demanding jobs without frequent recharging. The heavy-duty 1/2-inch nitrocarburized metal chuck with carbide inserts ensures superior bit retention, even under tough conditions. Ergonomics and durability are clearly top priorities. This model is compact, lightweight, and built to endure harsh job site environments. Its standout feature, a 3-mode LED system, includes a spotlight mode with a 20-minute shutoff, perfect for low light or confined spaces. The kit comes with a sturdy carrying case and charger, rounding out its value around $320, a competitive price considering its professional-grade performance. While it's ideal for contractors, it's equally valuable for DIY enthusiasts seeking reliability and power in one package. For those needing a high-performance, versatile tool that handles tough materials with ease, the DEWALT 20V Max XR Hammer Drill Kit is a solid investment. Makita XGT 40V Max. Up next, we bring you the Makita XGT 40V Max Hammer Driver Drill Kit, a standout in professional-grade power tools. As part of Makita's advanced XGT system, this drill combines power, durability, and cutting-edge technology for heavy-duty applications. Targeted at professionals, it offers a compact yet powerful solution for demanding tasks. At the heart of this drill is a Makita-built brushless motor, delivering an impressive 585 inch-pounds of maximum torque. This motor, paired with digital communication within the XGT system, ensures sustained performance, offering up to 2 times longer runtime under heavy loads. The drill also boasts 2 speed settings, ranging from 0 to 550 RPM and 0 to 8,250 BPM in low mode, to 0 to 2,200 RPM and 0 to 33,000 BPM in high mode, catering to various applications from precision drilling to high-speed fastening. Built for rugged environments, the extreme protection technology shields the drill from dust and water, making it a reliable choice for harsh job site conditions. Despite its robust construction, the drill maintains a compact profile at just 7 1/8 inches, ensuring ease of use in tight spaces without compromising performance. The 40V Max system, paired with a 2.5 amp-hour battery, powers this tool through intensive tasks, making it a powerhouse for construction, masonry, and other professional applications. With its innovative design, advanced features, and exceptional build quality, the Makita XGT 40V drill kit is a top-tier choice for those seeking unmatched reliability and performance. While the premium price may not appeal to casual users, for professionals, it's a tool worth every penny. SKIL 20V. Introducing the SKIL 20V 1/2 inch hammer drill kit, an affordable and highly functional tool that's perfect for DIY projects and home improvement tasks. Whether you're a casual handyman or a seasoned DIYer, this hammer drill delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. Powered by a 20V PWR core lithium battery, this drill provides ample power to tackle a variety of tasks, from drilling into wood and metal to making holes in concrete. With a maximum rotational speed of 1,450 RPM and a 2-amp motor, it's built to handle everyday jobs like installing shelves or fixing hardware. A standout feature of the SKIL 20V hammer drill kit is its 3-in-1 functionality. The ability to easily switch between hammer, drill, and screwdriver modes means you can handle a wide range of tasks without needing multiple tools. This flexibility saves both time and effort, making it ideal for tackling different types of projects around the house. The drill also offers 2 speed settings, a high speed for efficient drilling and a low speed for maximum torque, making it suitable for both light and heavy-duty applications. The 1/2 inch keyless ratcheting chuck with an auto spindle lock ensures quick and hassle-free bit changes, allowing you to stay productive without wasting time. At around $80, the SKIL 20V hammer drill kit doesn't skimp on quality. Compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, it's designed to work in tight spaces with ease. For anyone in need of a reliable and budget-friendly tool, this hammer drill is an excellent choice. The MILWAUKEE M12 Fuel SDS-Plus. Introducing the MILWAUKEE Cordless Rotary Hammer Kit, a powerhouse tool that's perfect for both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. This hammer drill is designed to deliver impressive performance in a compact, easy-to-handle package, making it a standout in its class. The M12 Fuel SDS-Plus rotary hammer combines cutting-edge technology and solid build quality to provide up to 2 times more runtime and 75% more speed than competitors, making it ideal for demanding tasks. The brushless motor ensures longevity and smooth operation, while the M12 Red Lithium XC 4.0 extended capacity batteries offer longer-lasting power, ensuring you can get the job done without constantly recharging. What sets this rotary hammer apart is its SDS-Plus system, which offers the largest bit capacity in its class, allowing it to easily handle wood, metal, and concrete drilling. With 1,500 RPM speed and a lightweight design, It's easy to maneuver in tight spaces, reducing fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the LED light helps illuminate your work surface, making this tool perfect for low-light environments. The kit includes everything you need: 2 M12 red lithium batteries, a charger, and a durable carrying case for easy transport and storage. For those in need of a powerful, compact, and reliable rotary hammer, the M12 Fuel SDS-Plus is an excellent choice. It combines power, versatility, and ease of use, all at a great value. Whether you're drilling into tough materials or simply need a reliable tool for your home projects, this kit has you covered.